Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Reset process is a good way to bring back the performance of your browser, delete harmful extensions, or restore Google to the default search page. Reset of Google Chrome will help you to quickly get rid of unwanted changes, such as the change of the search engine, pop-ups, annoying ads, or redirections to other pages. Besides, it is a safe way. The rest won't delete your personal data, such as bookmarks or saved passwords. There are a few simple steps. 1. Open Google Chrome. 2. Go to the right top corner and click on the three dots. Choose Settings. 3. Scroll down and look for Advanced. 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and choose Reset. 5. Confirm your choice and click Reset in the new window. That's it. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.